You've been arrested for driving under the influence. What happens now?
If you are watching this video, either you or someone you care about has been arrested for driving under the influence. The goal of this video is to assist you through the process of a DUI case. This information applies to procedures in Marin County. If you have been arrested in another jurisdiction, you should consult with an attorney or the public defender of that jurisdiction. In this video, you will learn of options for resolving your criminal case and information about the immediate consequences to your driver's license from the Department of Motor Vehicles. Each chapter of this video will cover a specific topic. You will learn about your rights, acquiring the services of an attorney, the process of arraignment, and referral to the public defender, and important, immediate Department of Motor Vehicle issues. You may have more questions after viewing this video. Please be advised that you should not make any decisions on your case until you have spoken to an attorney about the legal consequences of your decision, especially with regard to immigration matters.
Chapter 1. Your Rights. If you've been arrested, you have a right to remain silent. You must assert your right to remain silent to the police or other law enforcement officials in no uncertain terms. If you speak, be aware that the statement can be used against you despite any other promises. Do not give up your right to remain silent unless an attorney is present with you and can advise you during the process of speaking to police. You must be safe. If you believe that you are in danger of drinking and driving again, or that you have medical issues due to detoxing from alcohol, you should consult with a medical professional. There is no shame in seeking help, and often such assistance will provide important support as you start the legal process. Chapter 2. How to acquire attorney services. If you have the ability to afford your own counsel, you should consider retaining a private attorney who specializes in driving under the influence cases. You can search the internet for DUI lawyers in the Bay Area, and you can get referrals from the Marin County Bar Association Lawyer Referral Service by calling 415-499-1314. Driving under the influence cases have many legal and scientific issues, and only lawyers trained in assessing and trying such cases are able to adequately assist you. If you are unable to afford counsel on the day of your arraignment, you can ask to be referred to the office of the Marin County Public Defender to determine whether you qualify for the services of the public defender. Chapter 3. What to expect at your arraignment. If your case is typical, at this point you have 1. Been arrested, 2. Taken into custody, 3. Released with a citation to return to court, or 4. Bailed out of custody and given a date to return to court by jail staff. If you've been cited to return to court on a certain date, you must appear on that date, or a bench warrant for your arrest will be issued. If a bench warrant is issued, you can be arrested by any law enforcement official on that warrant. Therefore, it is in your best interest to appear in court as the citation directs. If you have been bailed out, failure to appear could result in the forfeiture of bail and the loss of the collateral that was used to secure the bail. Again, it is in your best interest to make your court appearance as ordered. On the day that you appear in the Marin County Superior Court for your arraignment, the court clerk will likely direct you to a video of a judicial officer. That video will advise you of your rights and other options. The video is informative, and you should pay close attention to it. At the end of the video, the court clerk will take roll. When your name is called, you will be asked several questions. First, you will be asked whether you need time to hire a private attorney, if you can afford an attorney. The second question is, do you want to be referred to the public defender? If you are referred, the public defender will make a financial determination of whether you qualify for public defender services. The third choice you will be given is whether you wish to accept the offer given to you by the district attorney and enter a plea of guilty. Each of these questions is an important choice you will have to make. Please do not be surprised when the clerk, the district attorney, or the court interpreter personnel do not give you legal advice. By law, they are not allowed to do so. Conviction for driving under the influence or driving on a suspended license is a priorable offense. This means that any subsequent conviction for driving under the influence will result in a greater penalty. You should be confident of your decision before proceeding to give up your rights to trial by entering a plea of guilty. If you need legal advice, you should ask for time to acquire your own legal counsel, or ask for a referral to the public defender. Chapter 4. Department of Motor Vehicles Issues. As part of your arrest, you may have also had your Department of Motor Vehicles driver's license taken from you by the arresting law enforcement agency. You likely were given a pink sheet of paper with information about requesting a DMV hearing. It is very important that you keep this pink sheet. Most importantly, that pink sheet serves as a temporary license that expires 30 days from the date you were arrested. Failure to get an extension of this date could result in tickets for driving with a suspended license. Tickets for driving on a suspended license can result in large fines and time in jail. Also, if you are eligible while your case is pending, you may qualify to get a restricted driver's license. It is to your advantage to acquire a restricted license or cease driving until you are legally allowed to do so. If you have questions about DMV consequences of DUI, call the number on the pink sheet. Or go to the DMV website. This may prevent the suspension of your driver's license. Please discuss this issue at the first consultation with your lawyer or with the public defender. This video provides information about some issues that you will encounter as you deal with being arrested for driving under the influence. However, this presentation could not cover many important points. For this reason, you should consult with an attorney who handles driving under the influence cases in the Marin County Superior Court before making some of the difficult decisions in your case. This is a presentation of the Marin County Public Defender's Office. For more information, call 415-473-6321 or visit the County of Marin Public Defender website.